What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today, y'all, in this video we're gonna be checking out the Caprice and giving y'all a little update on it, because obviously, like the title says, it got a cam in it. But before that, y'all, if you got your post, I don't know if you, well, but before that, y'all, so some of y'all might have saw that I was thinking about doing a giveaway on this Avalon King ceramic coating, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Once I hit like 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna go ahead and give away this Avalon Kings, Avalon Kings, I think it's Avalon Kings, I'm not sure, but Avalon Kings ceramic coating. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what all comes with the whole thing. I picked this up a while back, and obviously I don't need it because I'm not gonna use it on the Durango. I'm not gonna use it on the G8. See, it comes in a nice little box. And then here's the bottle. So there you go. Then I haven't used it, so as you can see, still got whatever in it. And then it's the whole kit, y'all. So you take this little foam part off. Comes with a cord, as you can see. So comes with a towel, also soft towel too. Comes with his own gloves also, so that's pretty neat. And then this would be the block or whatever. This is what you would apply with. So this is good for one car. So this is my first time taking everything out. And it also comes with the instructions. Dang, I didn't even see that. Once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna go ahead and give that away. That's gonna be every time I hit a milestone, which is gonna be like every 500 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving something away, whether it's a cup or something automotive. But I'm gonna go ahead and save this. Pretty good stuff, but let's go ahead and get to the rest of the video, y'all. I see you in 3, 2, 1. Hey, y'all, so, and then y'all ask me all the time, who can y'all bring your car to? He got his sign up now, so it's over here on Broome Street. He does with pretty much, he works on everything, even diesels and stuff. So there's the sign. Y'all see any make or model he work on, so if y'all need any work done, make sure y'all bring it to Gus right here. So he just got hit us. I like the way it sounds. Yeah, it's a little deeper, but it's smooth.
Yeah, it's not too loud.
Nah, is it loud when you get on it? Sounds good. Good. Alright, y'all, so I've been very horrible with recording lately, but the Caprice got a cam. I'm gonna show y'all some of the videos of when the first start up and all that stuff, and then he's about to, then after that he's gonna start it up again, and then I'm gonna explain to you what all, you know, what happened and what's all done to it right now. So, but oh, it was unlocked. Looks like he started cleaning it up a little bit. Still gotta put the back seats in there. Look like the G8 back seats. But let's see. dang. That's quiet. God. Hey.
That's all you see, rat fly out or some shit. Yeah. Hey, I think that shit's plugged up. Blow it out.
Move out the way.
Look, all that shit's right there.
Oh, is it coming out?
Yeah, you can see it right here. Yep. All in that crack.
Oh, damn.
Oh, it's a netherwood.
Wow. Nice from a rock.
It's the shit from the old cat. Killed it? No, that cat broke apart. Oh. I'm cutting this motherfucker too.
That thing is loud. Alright y'all, so the Caprice is finished. Obviously he just got to go do the exhaust, so whenever you do the exhaust I'll do another like update video on it. So so he was having like issues with the I think the wiring or something like that, so he had to kind of redo some of that, and then once he did that the car started up just fine. So what y'all see in the video is the stuff coming out the exhaust is that they blew out that one side, and so it had like almost like rocks. That's what it kind of felt like rocks in the exhaust. So when he cut it, it had nothing but like little look like rocks coming out the exhaust and stuff. So that's what y'all kind of see. That's why he cut the exhaust off and stuff, and that's why it's also so loud, because the exhaust is cut off right here on the side, y'all. So yeah, so I'm gonna put a picture up of what he's thinking about doing to the car, the decals he's gonna put on it and stuff. I'm gonna see if he's cool with me putting a picture up. So if y'all want to follow this car, make sure y'all go and y'all go give him a follow on Instagram. Y'all want to stay updated on this car, and I think eventually he will sell the car. So if anybody wants the car when he's ready to sell it, y'all can go ahead and snatch y'all up a good Cam Caprice already. So it does have the 6.0 in it. So yeah.